Ooh, a challenge. Hey yo, what's up, Wagwan? This is Xavier, and welcome to the channel. We're gonna be watching Andor episode 7 today. So last time we got this episode was like 95%. Last episode was like 95% about the raid on Aldani. We saw it was mostly a success. They got the payroll. Enough of it. They didn't get all of it, but enough of it because time crunch and everything. But like almost everybody died. Basically, it was only Andor, Cassian. I know his name is Andor, but I was like, I prefer to call him Cassian. Cassian, Vel, and Cinta, they're the only people who survived. Also, the seven person group that they had. Also, since Cinta was left on the planet, so kind of still unsure what happened to her. I'm assuming they had a route for her to be collected or something like that, and she has a spot to be picked up or whatever so she can get off her too. Cassian he shot Skeen because Skeen was plotting to run off, and Cassian took the manifesto from Nemik. Took Nemik manifesto, was given it by Vel, because Nemik left it for him, and also he took whatever was promised for him, his amount of credits. He gave her the crystal, Vel the crystal, and she got that. And then the episode ended with the news breaking out across the Empire and Luthen getting news and enjoying himself. So that was the ending of episode 6. This synopsis says the repercussions of the Aldani heist reach all the way to Coruscant while Cassian returns home. Okay, so we're going back to Ferrix. Yeah, that's the name of the planet. So we're going to see the people we saw in the first few episodes, but now the place is under Empire control because of that incident where Cassian escaped, where Karn lost his job, and Empire just looked up. They were like allowing the private the private launch or whatever there, maybe like this paramilitary, like this paramilitary group to control this area, and then he's like, and then they messed up when how Cassian escaped, and so the Empire taking over, no more autonomy for them, and so we'll see how that plays out. Seeing how that plays out. Let's get into it.
Had it raised.
I had it tailored.
Everything says something, Cyril. I've tried to make you understand that. You've resisted.
What is it that you hear my caller saying?
Yeah, please tell us.
Look at me. I don't believe in myself. I am desperate for approval. Back to Garrison, they'll regret it.
And the officials on the scene are still assessing the loss and searching for the conspirators.
The criminals responsible for...
Okay, this thing with Karn has to play out somehow. They're not showing us how, but it's gotta have a deeper meaning.
The tribute tax, equal to 5 times the amount stolen from Aldani, will be levied on any sector harboring partisan activity. We will make it clear that no one steals from the Empire. The use of any local custom, festival, or tradition as cover for rebel activity will trigger permanent revocation of Imperial tolerance.
Oh, they brought in the big guns. It's no longer major.
Last night.
Oh.
We will be invoking the Public Order Resentencing Directive later today. PORD.
Any criminal act with even indirect effect on the Empire will henceforth be branded a Class 1 offense.
All prison sentences are immediately re-evaluated. All outstanding fines and levies are to be paid in full.
You're not pleased.
Oh, they're bringing the hammer.
Whose hands?
The rebels.
This is exactly what they want. We're treating what happened at Aldani like a robbery.
What would you call it?
A signal.
An announcement.
Aye. But yo, they're bringing the big guns, major particles. They're like, yo, no, you're no longer in charge here. I'm taking over. We're bringing in higher rank. This thing has gone to the emperor. We gotta get some. We gotta get drastic here, draconian.
Was this you?
What do you mean?
The garrison, Aldani.
Ah! Is it true? Claire was just...
I've been worried you might do something like this.
How I wish I had.
Oh, denying liability. Denying culpability.
Your everything seemed to be all about bringing in a savior to access your family funds.
It was you, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
Has anyone ever made a weapon that wasn't used? The network's been built. It's up. It grows or it dies. We've waited long enough.
You realize what you set in motion?
Yeah.
Palpatine won't hesitate now.
Exactly.
We need it.
To get more people in. Yeah.
We need them to overreact.
You can't be serious.
The Empire has been choking us so slowly we're starting not to notice. The time has come to force their hand.
People will suffer.
Yeah, but for the greater good, I guess.
That's the plan.
Yeah, to get more,
Anger at me. I'm just saying out loud what you already know.
Okay, I see the plan now.
No rules going forward. If you're not willing to risk your conscience, then surrender and be done with it. You can't hide forever.
I get the play. You gotta force them to overreact so you can get an equal and opposite reaction of pushback by the citizenry. You gotta get the people liven up. You gotta get the people going. You gotta get the people against the Empire.
Probably best for everyone to just edit this a bit before signing you in. I'm sure your uncle would approve. Fresh start, eh? New beginnings. We just happen to have an immediate opening in fuel purity. I'd hate to see you miss your chance.
Exciting. Oh, I love that opportunity, wouldn't I? Who's that? Oh, it's Clea. I think that's her name.
I want a record of all missing avionics, comm, navigation, and targeting equipment.
For which star system?
All star systems. Is that a problem?
No, not a problem at all.
I'll need this report kept confidential, and a copy sent exclusively to my office. Can I rely on you for that level of discretion?
Yes, ma'am.
Can do.
Will do.
Will do.
Right. Get on with it.
She's very ambitious. I'll tell you that. Ah, this is how Sinter's gonna get off-world. Okay, cool.
The money's safe.
We know. It's been moved already. You've done exceptional work. It's the trawler we're more worried about.
It's buried, gone for good.
You sure?
Oh, that's Vel. Oh, wow, she looks different. Okay, so this is Cassian back on Ferrix.
Del Primo took over the hotel. Ferrix is under Imperial authority. You shouldn't be here.
Definitely should not be.
Turn me in.
You don't know?
No what?
Tim.
What?
Tim Carlo turned you in.
Well, he's dead now.
No point in stewing over it. He's dead now.
Find somewhere warm and easy. I can make it happen. It's all gonna be different now.
Is she too old? She's gonna say she's too old to be doing all this. Just wants to settle down.
I'll check up on Biggs, and we'll pull out first thing in the morning. All right?
But the first thing...
Let's do that.
That's not gonna work out. I'll tell you that.
I've done more than grow weary of the Empire. I'm afraid you'd find my politics a bit strong for your taste.
I've explored the alternatives. You're my best shot.
You haven't answered my question.
And I won't. You're better off not knowing.
That is true.
Or perhaps you find my politics a bit strong for your taste.
Plausible deniability.
Perrin's on his way over. He knows none of this. He's not to be trusted. Smile?
There you are.
To be continued.
Can we trust him? I doubt it. I don't know. I'm very much doubting him.
Troopers won't catch me. Not here.
They won't have to. They'll be turned in.
By who?
By who? By anyone. People blame you for what happened.
Blame me?
Yes, blame you.
You killed 2 corpos and came home to hide. Put the entire town at risk and now there's Imperials on the street.
If Tim had kept his mouth shut.
If this, if that. If you, if me, if Tim.
We were doing a deal you
You
set up.
scam. You borrow. You lie. You disappear.
Your crazy boyfriend tries to get me killed, and I'm the villain.
You need to get as far away from here as you can.
She's right about that. You're posing a threat to everybody. Yep, you're a threat.
It's everything I owe. San, Nerchi, Braza, Dima. 12 should cover it.
Be careful, Cass.
You too.
At least he paid back the people he owed. I gotta give him that. Stormtroopers approaching?
This is not our fight, Cass. Don't worry, they won't be here long. They're just gonna raise their silly flag and fly away.
Oh!
Don't move. Stay here.
Clem is the name of the guy who was with Marvel. Okay.
Turn! Ready, arm!
Damn. You can tell Clem had an impact in his life because basically Clem and Marva raised him. I get it.
What is this?
I'm not going.
She's too.
What are you talking about?
She's too old for this, bro.
But it's not safe.
For you.
I know that. Ferrix has been hiding long enough.
So now you're taking on the Empire.
Laugh if you want to.
Who's laughing? This is madness.
No, it's not. It's overdue and probably doomed, and I'm too old, and I don't care anymore. Take all the money you found and go and find some peace.
I won't have peace. I'll be worried about you all the time.
That's just love.
That is love.
Nothing you can do about that.
Just gotta suck it up and move on.
I've never loved anything the way I love you. And I've never fretted on anything more, but this time. You can't stay, and I can't go.
I get it. It makes total sense to me.
Can I speak now?
No! Me, you understand.
I don't.
Poor B.
You will, you'll see.
Eventually he will. She can't go with you, bro. She can't go with you. It's just It just would not make sense.
And just one more thing, just... Stop searching for your sister. It's a fantasy. There were no survivors on Canary. What happened there was not your responsibility. You were a child. Let it go.
Wow.
Coming back.
No, you're not. If he does come back, it's when... If he does come back, it's when people are dead. That's the only reason he's coming back.
Serious charge.
I believe you'll share my sense of urgency.
Supervisor Miro, do you mind having your integrity ventilated in public?
Use the Imperial Emergency Act in the wake of Aldani to gather data across multiple sectors without official sanction, but that is the wrong question. I'd like to know if anyone here believes the rebellion plans its actions around the artificially constructed boundaries of our sectors.
Major Partagaz created those sectors.
As organizing principles, not personal playthings, do you really think the rebels care about the lines we draw on maps?
You think the relevance of my work has been supplanted?
Yes, basically.
Systems either change or die.
Ooh,
Sir.
A challenge.
Thesis, please.
There is a focused, organized rebel effort to acquire highly restricted Imperial military components.
Your evidence?
By accessing unfiltered sector crime reports, I can now prove a link between the theft of our most secret equipment and its distribution to rebel groups across the galaxy.
Imagine if everyone in this room played as loose with the rules as you.
An excellent suggestion, Blevin. I'm wondering where we'd be right now if everyone here showed the same endeavor as Supervisor Miro.
Hey.
I'll have to think about that. For the moment, I'm reassigning the Morlana sector to Supervisor Miro. Ferrix is of great interest to her and has clearly become a distraction for you.
Oh, wow.
If you'd walk with me a moment.
Levin got dumped on. Pow! Suck it.
Well played.
Thank you, sir.
Watch your back.
Oh yeah, she better watch her back. Levin is out for her. He is out for her. That man is gonna get he wants revenge. She humiliated him. She made him out to look like a fool. She's gonna want his back.
And we need pizzos. Don't forget the pizzos.
Without the pizzas?
Pizzos and Revnok. The green ones. The greeny Revnok. You liked it too.
What are they talking about? Drugs? I'm assuming.
What do you think you're doing?
Excuse me?
You keep looking around.
Just trying to figure out what's going on.
You a part of it?
Part of what?
Don't play dumb.
No, I'm on my way to the store.
You need to back up. Stand right there. You look like you're sweating.
Well, it's hot.
Or you've been running.
Why would I be running?
Because you're a part of it.
A part of what? Oh, is this a droid that is in Rogue One?
No, you misunderstand. No, he meant the watch. No, he means the watch.
Tell him you mean what?
Oh, wow.
This used to be a 6-month sentence. 6 years.
6 years? No, wait! But
Change of guidelines.
Take him away.
I didn't do anything. Hey!
Take it up with the Emperor.
Wait! I'm just a tourist!
Next.
Wait!
Oh, damn, they are cracking down. 6 months to 6 years? Wow. Alright, so that was episode 7 of Andor. And we're seeing the repercussions of the actions on Aldani. Mon Mothma, she's trying to bring in somebody new, It's an old friend. She's gonna let him run a foundation and be her conduit to bring funds into the rebellion. We see Luthen celebrating his win. Cassian returns to Ferrix and he does not get a warm welcome. Bix is telling him, yo, you gotta leave. You're a threat to us. Please, no. You can't stay. I won't turn you in, but one of these other people will turn you in. So I'm just warning you, you gotta go. And he gives her the money that he owes everybody. So kudos to Cassian for that. And we also see Cassian is dealing with Marva. He's telling her, yo, I'm back. We gotta go. I'm taking you and the droid with me. We're going. I got this big score. I got lots of money. We can make it big. Let's just go somewhere nice, easy, warm. Let's get it moving. And in the morning, she tells him she can't go. She's off for the rebellion. You know, for years, 13 years, she couldn't walk past a certain part of the square because that's where Clem was hung. And yeah, we saw a flashback to that because I was wondering what happened to the guy who was there when Marva found him on Kenari. So the guy's name was Clem, and that was his fake name for the Aldani mission. And we see that Clem was trying to break up this disturbance, and Imperials picked him out and killed him. And so you can tell he and Clem had this good relationship because Clem told him, yo, easy, don't do anything. And he listened. So clearly they built up a strong bond, and yeah, Clem got dusted. Woo. But yeah, you know, so Marva tells him she has to stay. She can't go with him. She can't go with him. She has to stay. She wants to be a part of this. Cassian has to go, but she has to stay. She doesn't want. She's too old to care about running away. If she leaves, she's running away. She has to stay. Cassian can run away. She's not gonna judge him for that. But she has to do what she must. She's too old. She doesn't care anymore. She's close to the end, and she just wants to go out the right way. She wants to fight. She wants to be part of something that has meaning. She wants to be part of something that there's value. And this is what Luthen was speaking about when Mon Mothma visited him. He was saying, yes, the Empire is overacting. They're being harsh. They're ratcheting things up. But that is good. And there's points I've seen this all where this higher up soldier had come in and was like, yo. Easy the people, easy the bosses. Me in charge now. Will not mess up. I spoke to the Emperor, and we gotta clean up here. We are heightening our pressure on these scum people, these rebel scum. We gotta be rough, tough on them. They will fear what we can do. And that's what they want. Well, at least that's what Luthen wants, because it's like the Empire has been slowly creeping in us, crushing us. And like he's right, because like this slow crush is gonna be too subtle and too long to live in the minds of the citizenry of the systems. The slow crush is just gonna keep gradually taking away things, but you won't notice. You get used to it, so you won't remember. Eventually, the new generations will remember what freedoms the older ones had, because the Empire is just gonna slowly, creepily creep on and take them away. But if we do something big that inspires, and the Empire, you, instead of using a pen like a ruler to do a slap on the wrist, they take a bazooka and nuke your hand instead. People are gonna notice and they're gonna react accordingly. So he's right. She inspired Marvel. She was being just nonchalant. Well, not nonchalant. She was just accepting it, and it got her inspired. It got her boosted up. It got her motivated. So Luther at that point. The other aspect of this was Luther wants Cassian taken care of. He's a loose end. He's gotta go. He's gotta take him out. Vela's gotta take him out. And so we'll see what happens with there. Cassian is not gonna be taken out as we see, because he's in Rogue One. And speaking of Rogue One, we saw, I don't know if it's the same droid, but we saw a version of the droid in the place where Cassian goes at the end of this show, where another episode where he, for what we used to be a 6-month sentence, he's now that's a 6-year sentence. I think he's just been there doing drugs and whatever, just hooking up with women, or at least one woman, and so tough on him. But first to that, Miro has to watch her back, because Blevin is gonna have it out for her, because she embarrassed him. He was bringing up she sneakily was like using the emergency powers to get information she wanted, and Blevin found out, and he was like, "Yo, hey, what is she doing? She's overreaching into my sector. She's disobeying the rules. You gotta do something about this, Major. She's disrespecting your work. She's disrespecting the sectors you set up. You set up these sectors. She's disrespecting you." And Miro challenges, and she gets the respect of the Major, and he's like, well done. I'm gonna reassign this little thing to you. You want it. You're doing the work. You clearly have something working here. You're cooking a little. You have a little sauce. You have a little thing. You have a little thing not working. So it's a pot of bubble liquor. So I'm gonna let you cook. But he later tells her in confidence, "Yo, watch your back, cause your ambition is good for us, but it's gonna get the ires up off your peers. So keep an eye out." So I really like that. Yeah. So this episode had a lot of little things in about the fallout of that heist on the base. So nicely done. I really don't have any criticism. Oh, and we saw Karen. He just accepting this wrote Pete Magnum's job at the Bureau of Standards. He's just now a cog in the machine. It was a cog in the machine before, but at least there was a little excitement, but now it's just boring job. And so there's gotta be something greater to what is, because they keep showing him. So there's gotta be something that plays out there. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, good episode. Like they've all been good. So I get the hype. I get why people like it. It's good TV. I've said it before about in past reviews, reactions. It's good TV. It's good TV again. Alright. Like it, love it, buy it. Those are my thoughts. Bye.